Welcome to WebStarPlus. In this video, I will show you how to block adult websites in Chrome. It is very easy and we don't need to install anything. The setting is already inside Chrome. To do that, open Google Chrome web browser, press three dots at the top right. Select Settings. From the left, select Privacy and Security. Select Security option. Scroll down and make sure Use Secure DNS is turned on. Then select DNS provider from the list. Choose Clean Browsing Family Filter. This will block adult websites in Chrome. You can do the same for Android as well. On Android, open Chrome. Press three dots at the top right. Select Settings. Select Privacy and Security. Scroll down. Press Use Secure DNS. Use Secure DNS option should be checked and then tap on Choose Another Provider. From the drop-down, select Clean Browsing Family Filter. And that's it. Okay, I hope it helped. Like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.